Hello friends, welcome back to Smartphone World. In this video we are going to pit the realme 2 Pro in a speed test against budget flagship of the year Poco F1. Can realme 2 Pro match Poco F1 in performance? Let's find out in this video. Poco F1 is powered by best-in-class flagship processor from Qualcomm, the Snapdragon 845 with 6GB of RAM. On the other hand, realme 2 Pro is powered by less powerful underclocked version of Snapdragon 660 processor with 4GB of RAM. Both phones run the latest version of software available by the time this video was recorded. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you guys don't miss any of our future videos. While you are down there, enter our Amazon e-gift card giveaway. Let's kick things off with a boot up test. Poco F1 took just 18 seconds to boot up, whereas the realme 2 Pro took 22 seconds to get started. Both phones are connected to the same wireless network and all backgrounding apps have been cleared. Let's start the timer. First off, let's open some system-based apps. When opening basic apps like phone, settings, Instagram, the Poco F1 was tad bit faster than realme 2 Pro. We can see the true power of Snapdragon 845 processor when it comes to loading games. Poco F1 loaded all games, Subway Surfers, Stack, Alto, way faster than realme 2 Pro. This provided a comfortable lead for Poco F1 in the first round, and the phone took just 68 seconds to finish the round, whereas realme 2 Pro took 85 seconds to finish the first round. In the second round, we'll check the RAM management capabilities of both phones. Realme 2 Pro performed way better than other budget smartphones and managed to keep most of the apps in memory and just reloaded the Smash It game. We need to consider the fact that we have 4GB RAM model with us. With 6 or 8GB RAM, realme 2 Pro could perform better. On the other hand, Poco F1 managed to keep all apps in memory and cruise the second round in just 26 seconds. However, Poco F1 do have tendency to reload apps quite frequently. Check our Poco F1 vs Note 5 Pro speed test video for more details. Realme 2 Pro took 35 seconds to finish the second round. The winner of the speed test is our speed test champ, the Poco F1. So what do you guys think about the realme 2 Pro's performance against Poco F1? Share your thoughts on the comment section or in polls. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to Smartphone World for more tech and gaming videos. As always, thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video and you guys have a great day.